Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your boy Kabir Khanna on Kabir Stream. And today, yet again, I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you how I make money on casino with the app that I have made, with the AI that I have built over the past couple of years. And now we just get into playing and making some money. And also don't forget about my Telegram channel. And by the way, I forgot to tell you that I do live streams on Tuesday, Thursday, and also Friday. So, like I said, all the information is on my Telegram. And just look at this, 12,000, this easy. If I was just playing and I don't have a structure, don't have anything, I would have pushed it out at 2x maybe the best at 3x. I wouldn't even go close to like 5x or something like that. Yeah, भाई मैंने भी यही सोचा है, एविएटर से शुरू करना चाहिए. तो ओके, यहाँ पे हमारे 900 बन गए हैं फिर से, और यहाँ से फिर से जो है हमने पैसे निकाल लिए और 1000 रुपये और बन गए. तो 2000 रुपये ऑन एवरेज जो है हम हर एक बेट पे कमा रहे हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स प्लेस इन 900 अगेन, एंड ओवर हियर 216 वी टेक इट आउट, 1000 अगेन, and you can say 1100 by the way, and nice. And there you go, I just 5x'd my money, 2500 easy cash. Put in like 500 and made 5x of the money. So let's go with the next round and let's run the round analysis. 5200 easy money. Okay, go on. Go on. Come on. And in 3, 2, 1, we take out the money at 2100 yet again. Guys, I told you that it works magnificently. Magnifique, as in French they say. And it is going crazy. Oh my god, 82x. We were way off. I am sure that we're gonna make that back. 5200 right over there. Oh, I forgot to run the round analysis. Okay, and we take out the money over there. 1500. Oh, 1555. That is something lucky. That's probably what they say when I make a lot of money just by using my app. Look at this. Damn accurate. So let's go again. So I want you to chat more. Wait a second. और यहाँ पे जो है पैसे फिर से निकाल लेते हैं. And 4900 right over there. Okay. So let's go again. सुमित भाई देखो, मैं पैसे बना रहा हूँ आपके सामने लाइव पे बैठा हुआ हूँ, इसलिए बैठा हूँ कि आप देख सको, समझ सको कि कैसे पैसे बनाने हैं. Everything is right in front of you. I cannot record this or do this in some other way. This is a live stream. ये देखो फिर से 2200. ये देखो. Look at the results, how accurate it is. How can you say that it is not correct? Let's run the round analysis again. I'm sorry for that if you heard that. But yeah, it is an AI and it has to learn from every single round. Guys, please understand that this predictor app is an AI system, a machine learning system. If you've been watching my streams, you should have asked me about a strategy. What was your budget, bro? Let's go again. 9000 yet again, and it says right over here, and we take out the money. I clicked on the button. Okay, 2500. Okay. Close call. I somehow did not click the button. And yeah, I'm making a lot of money. And in 3. 10 points off. Oh my god. And see, 4200. I can go till 4x without even thinking, just because my AI says so. Go on. Nice. 9000 right over there. Let's go. Oh my god. Look at this. I clicked on it. I freaking clicked on it. My AI said actually 2.04x and I read it 4.20. I don't know why. Do you understand? 3600, decent money. Let's do it constantly, Aviator. I'm sick and tired of your low coefficients. Please. This is my appeal. I'm still waiting for your answer, by the way. If you just thought I'm just, keeping quiet, I'm literally waiting for the answer. 24 years old. Kahan se ho ab bhai? This has actually turned into some kind of, mentoring something. But I don't really mind. If I can push you into the right direction, I'm all for it, bro. 24. आप कहाँ से हो, क्या काम करते हो, मेरे को थोड़ा बेसिक अपना आइडिया दो कि आप हो कौन एमडी. So let's go again. Shall we game and give us some high rollers again. Nice. Okay. Not bad. Guys, you don't understand what kind of theme is this. This is like something else, and all I have to do is listen to my freaking AI to when to take out the money. And it has been never easier to make this sort of money. Like literally. To download the app, to then register, and then move on to deposit, and then to move on to playing the game, and then look at over here. Oh my god, it was a little bit off, but still you get the accuracy on when you can take out the money. And if you have a strategy, you can do it way much better. All it takes is practice. And with practice, you're gonna make a lot money. A lot more money than you are making right now, because you'll be multiplying your money like 5x right over here. 10,000, and all I did was click on buttons according to my AI.